Peace and blessings. This transmission of sovereignty is for the inner child, the inner little girl, the maiden that lives within us and passes through us with her rhythmic, cyclical flow. These words may be received simply by listening, repeating, or in any other way that most aligns with you. Here and now, in this present moment, on this present timeline, and across all lifetimes and timelines, as well as ancestral bloodlines, I release all soul agreements and contracts that have kept my inner child, my inner little girl in a box, where she had to play it small, be quiet, fit in, not cause too much disruption or disturbance, be colorless, plain, complacent, tamed, obedient, and unseen. I release, I release, I release. I no longer need these lessons as a spiritual pathway to peace. The lesson is complete. I am ready to transcend these old narratives into a new timeline and frequency that best suits my needs. Here and now, I give my little girl, myself, and my soul full permission to shine with a lot of color, play, enthusiasm, pleasure, sweetness, fun, joy, heart, yoni, juiciness, nature, adventure, clarity, rest, fluidity, grace, ease, flow, trust, surrender, blessings, curiosity, safety, laughter, and flowers. Here and now, I am free to simply be me. My unique beauty and infinite creativity shall shine through me wildly, fully, and expansively. I am free. I am sacred. I am sovereign. And so it is.